Welcome guys in the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you all you need to know about the Telegram. So let's start by how to create username on Telegram.
Let's open Telegram and then click to this three line and then click to setting and then click to this three dot and edit profile. Okay, so this is the name of my account, Autodesk Learning Center, and this is my number. And in here, as you can see, username. Click to this pencil and then type your username in here and then save. So I'm not going to change it. Let's save. And now all my friends can add me by this phone number and username. If you want to know how to add your friend by phone number or username, I have already a video that the link is on description below. This is how to create a username on Telegram.
How to add by username in Telegram. So first I'm going to mention you that you can add your friend by username that your friend already have a username. If your friend doesn't have username, you can add him on Telegram. So now I'm going to show you how which my friend have a username and which one of them doesn't have a username. So let's see my first contact. I have a username or not. Click to this three dot and go to the view profile. As you can see, she doesn't have a username. Okay, so nobody can add by username. Okay, let's see the next my contact. So I'm going to see profile of this my contact. As you can see that this my contact have a username. Okay, so now you can add him. If you want to know how to create a username, you can watch my video that I put the link on description below. Okay, so now let's see how to add. Let's search in the search bar. Now if you search, as you can see, his name is appear in here. Okay, you can. So let's see my Telegram account. Okay, LC Telegram is the username of my Telegram account. As you can see now, if I write my LC Telegram, my account appear in here. This is how to add your friend by username and Telegram. How to add friend on Telegram by phone number.
Open your Telegram and then click to this three dot and then click to contact and then click to add contact and here type his first name, for example Alex, and last name like R, and in here the first time type the code of the country and then the phone number. So for example this number and then click to create. Unfortunately Alex has not joined Telegram yet, but you can send him an invitation. We will notify you when any of your contacts join Telegram. So unfortunately my friend still doesn't join it on Telegram. So this is the way how to add your contact in Telegram.
How to delete contact on Telegram. And now open your Telegram and then click to this three line and open to your contact list. Okay, so now I'm going to delete the first my contact and click on that. Click on this three dot and in here you can see what you want to do. Okay, view profile or delete chat or clear history. So now I'm going to delete my contact and delete and delete. Okay, so let's see the contact is still in here or not. As you can see now my contact is no longer in here. This is how to delete their contact and Telegram. How to set auto remove link in Telegram group.
Click in here and type remove URL post. Click to this and then click to start. Okay, as you can see, what can this bot do? This bot remove all message from non-admins contain URL. Admin can post the URLs. This is to protect your group from scammer and spammer posting links. And now all you have to do is uh, open your group and first add this as a member in your group. I'm going to add this as my group. Add member. Let's remove you. Yeah, I find this. I'm going to add this in my group. And now again click to this three dot, then go to manage group, and then click to administrator. I'm going to add as admin this, and then click to add administrator. Yeah, this one, remove URL post. I'm going to add this as admin. And now what can this admin do? Change group info. I'm not going to allow this. Delete message, ban user, and white user link, pin message, it's okay. Remind announcement, I'm not going to allow this. Add new admin, I'm not going to allow this as well. So now save and close, save. This is how to remove external links automatically in your group, and nobody can share or post any link in your group.
How to stop someone adding you to Telegram group.
So all you have to do is click to in here and then click to setting, and then from here click to privacy and security, and then click to group and channel, and then from here as you can see, this is the default that who can add me to groups and channel. Now as you can see everybody, I'm going to change to my contact, and also from here you can add exception, which your contact add you and which your contact can add you. So if you want to add like one of your contact that never allow, you can select this and choose one of your contact. I don't have any contact in here, so I'm not going to add, and then save. That's all. This is how to stop someone to add you in Telegram group and channel.
These are all about Telegram you need to know. Thanks for watching. See you the next tutorial.